Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth Pittenger here again, and today we're going to be solving page 497, number 7. For this problem, we're going to find the base of an isosceles triangle, which is 70 meters long, and the altitude of this base is 75 meters long. And we're going to find a base angle to the nearest degree. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you start to complete this problem is to draw your triangle. So we're going to draw this isosceles triangle. So here is the base. It's 70 centimeters long, and then the altitude, which is this thing, is 75 centimeters tall. So since we're going to try to find a base angle, which is one of these, we're going to try and find this one. So we're going to draw just like a separate triangle so it's easier to see. Since we are in fact splitting this triangle in half, we're going to divide 70 by 2 and come up with 35. To solve for this angle, we're going to need a trigonometry function. So SOHCAHTOA. And then once we finish writing this out, we're not going to try to find x because there's no need. So we're going to use tangent and find the opposite, which is this, because it's opposite this angle, over the adjacent, which is 35. So tan x, or question mark, if you really want this angle to be called that, equals opposite 75 over 35. To find this, you would actually use the inverse operation, so it would be tan negative 1, 75 divided by 35 equals triangle, or question mark, the base angle. So once we plug this into our calculator, we would get that question mark equals 64.98, and since we are rounding it to the nearest degree, question mark equals 65 degrees. So to go over this again, you would draw your triangle out, and then the altitude is a line straight from the bottom of the base to the tip of the triangle. And then, since you're trying to find a base angle, you would draw this section of the triangle, which you would try and find the angle for, and draw it again. And then, since the altitude is 75 degrees and half the base is 35 degrees, you would use tangent to find this angle. Alright, thank you very much for listening to this tutorial, and have a great day.